Awesome morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, as in earlier class we have already done the topic sounds of A. So today we are going to do an exercise related to the same topic. So take out your English pre-primer book, okay, and open your page number 16. Kids, do not forget to mention date and classwork on the top. So kids, let's read the question first. Our first question is, look at the pictures and fill in the correct letter in the blanks. Kids, as you can see, here are some pictures given. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to identify these pictures and we have to complete the spelling. Okay, we have to identify the picture and we have to complete the spelling. So let's start. So look over here kids and tell me which picture is this? Yes, you are right. This is a bat. This is a bat. And what is the spelling of bat kids? The spelling of bat is B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. So as you can see, B and T is already written. Which letter is missing? A. Letter A is missing. So what we have to write? We have to write letter A over here like this. Okay. So our spelling is B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Very good. Come on the next one. What is this? This jam. This is a jam. And what is the spelling of jam kids? Yes, the spelling of jam is J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. So as you can see, J and M is already written. What we have to write? We have to write the letter A. So we will write letter A over here like this, and our spelling is J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Very good. Now come on the next picture kids. Tell me which picture is this? Yes. Tell me first which picture is this? This is a mat. This is a mat. And what is the spelling of mat kids? Yes. The spelling of mat is M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. So M and T is already written. Which letter is missing? Yes, letter A is missing. So we have to write letter A over here in this blank. Like this. Okay. So our spelling M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Very good. Now come on the next one. Which picture is this kids? Tell me which picture is this? This is a fan. This is a fan. And what is the spelling of fan kids? The spelling of fan is F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. So here F and N is already given. Which letter is missing? A. Letter A is missing. So we have to write letter A in this blank. Like this. Okay. So our spelling is F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Very good. Our next picture is of a car. This is a car. And what is the spelling of car kids? The spelling of car is C-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. So here C and R is already written. Which letter is missing over here? Yes, I told you the spelling. You are right kids. It's letter A. So we will write letter A over here in the blank like this. Okay. Our spelling is C-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. Very good kids. Now look over here and pay attention. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a star. This is a star. And spelling of star is S-T-A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. R, star. So as you can see, S, T, and then it is a blank and R is written. So tell me which letter is missing, kids? Yes, you are right. Letter A is missing. So we have to write letter A over here at the place of this blank like this. So our spelling is S-T-A-R star. S-T-A-R star. Okay, so we have identified all the pictures and we have completed all the spellings. Now come on the next question. Our next question is unjumble the following letters to make words. Unjumble the following letters to make word. Kids, as you can see, some letters are given over here. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these letters in a order that they make a meaningful word. Okay, we have to arrange these letters in a order that they make a meaningful word. Okay, so let's start. Come to the first one, kids. Here A, M, N is given. Which word we can make with the help of these letters, kids? Yes, we can write M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Okay, so our word is ready. So we have to write M-A-N. M-A-N, man. Very good. Come to the next one. Next, we are having letter A, B, E, K. Now think and tell me which word we can make with the help of these letters. Yes, we can make word bake. B-A-K-E. Right? So we will write over here bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. Come to the third one, kids. Now here letter G, A, B is given. Now let's arrange them in a order that they make a correct and meaningful word. We can write word bag with the help of these letters. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. So write B-A-G. Bag, like this. Okay, come to the fourth one, kids. Here letter A, C, E, K is given. So which word we can make? We can make cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. So we will write cake over here. C-A-K-E. Cake. Very good. Come to the fifth one, kids. Yes, here A, C, P is given. Which word we can make? Yes, arrange them in the correct order. We can make cap. C-A-P. Cap. So we will write over here C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Very good. Come on the sixth one, kids. Here letter N-A-V is given. So we can make van with the help of these letters. Right? Very good. So the spelling of van is V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. So write V-A-N. Van. Very good. So our second question is also done. Unjumble the following letters to make a word. Okay, we have arranged the letters in the correct order to make a meaningful word. Come to the next question. Our next question is read the following letters aloud and make 4 words having vowel A. Okay. So as you can see in this bracket, some letters are given. A, B, C, M, N, D and S. So we have to use these letters and we have to make 4 words with vowel A. Okay, we have to make 4 words using these letters with vowel A. So let's see what are those 4 words that we can make, kids. First one is man. We can write man, M-A-N. So our first word is man. So write M-A-N. Man. Very good. Second word that we can make is B-A-D. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. So we will write bad over here. B A D. Bad. Okay. Now come to the third word. Which word we can make? Look over here and search. We can make word sad. S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. This is our third word. So write over here S A D. Sad. Okay. Now fourth word. What is our fourth word, kids? Look over here in this blank and try to make a word. Yes, you can make C-A-N. Can. You can make C-A-N. Can. So our fourth word is C-A-N. C-A-N. Can. So these are our 4 words. Which are 4 words? M-A-N, man, B-A-D, bad, S-A-D, sad, C-A-N, can. So we have used the vowel A in these 4 words and only we have used these letters which are given in this blank. Okay, we are using the words which are given in these bracket. So here our exercise is done. So kids, you have to do this exercise similarly in your English pre-primer book, okay, on page number 16 like this. Okay kids, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.